This is interesting. 1947 Cadillac. Of course, after the war, Detroit built anything and everything they could, pretty limited. This is a Series 62 with the fleet back.
Well, you never mentioned the XYZ. And it sounds like XYZ is critical for your business. So the thing with these, the thing is like when you're
Now, if I remember straight,
talking about sounds like it's fairly.
that's where the gas flap is hidden. Now, look at this 47 Continental, excuse me, Continental.
There's Salesforce, there's probably others.
I love the push button door handles. This Lincoln Continental, okay. I get straight. Still running the V12s, 1947. 1947, folks. This is luxury right after the war. This is 1948 Packard. They'd gone to this unibody. Excuse me. Very streamliner look. Look at that 8. 352 if memory serves me correct. This is a very personal style, but just think, at the same time, Mercury was on the drawing boards. The 49 Merc looked like that, the Nash looked like that. LaSalle, wow. This is 1940 LaSalle. LaSalle, of course, after the war was gone. We're going to check out some luxury from the 30s. Of course, we've got the Accord Beverly. We all know the coupes, but it was also available later in a 4-door. This is a 37. It's amazing is that when you look at these cars, thinking 1937. I showed you a close-up of this before on an earlier video. Oops, sorry, on an earlier video. Do check it out. Again, 37 Accord Beverly. Look at this Packard. This is like the ultimate. This is the 180. Wow. It's a divider, it's a limousine. This was absolute top of the line. It's 1940. The infamous Conron, or Swan if you shall. This was for captains of industry. They're already beginning to crack a little bit, but not much. Cadillac was beginning to creep up on them. Speaking of Cadillacs, seems like get some room here. There we go. This is beautiful. I gotta show you this one. Nice V8. And here's 41 Series 60 Special. Is this Fleetwood? No. Touring sedan. Just want to double check in there. I wanted to show you this. This is Harley Earl. Look at those lines. So distinctive. It really set Cadillac off. A simple thing like that.
It's amazing you love cars like this. Not many women go crazy over cars.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
It really set the cars off. Again, keep in mind this is a 40. Look at the Packard.
No, I know.
Still didn't follow the same lines, but they were setting the styles on through. They were really gaining eminence. Cadillac and GM did take over the styling. Here we go with our post-war designs of the Packard in a 2-door. Looks kind of clean. I like the convertibles on these, but look how that rear just flows down. People called it an inverted bathtub, or even worse, a pregnant elephant. It's personal taste, but they have come up in the collector's world. Again, post-war Cadillac. This is,
And I showed that
oh.
my father too. He said the only problem.
Now, if you ask me which one I'd go for, I would still say Packard because I love my Packard. But Packard's running still at their straight 8, which was beginning to fall out of favor. This is the 48, of course. And getting into post-war Cadillac. I'm going to try to get a good side shot for you without the guy's tuchus. So meanwhile, let's take a look-see at the V8 and see what goes on under the hood. I'm sorry, this is a 41 Series 63. If you were lucky enough to score one of these before the war, it served you well. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. For more shows like this, make sure you check your online calendar of events. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. And if you like this video, click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.